Alright, I got my Jackson Dinky here, and I noticed this one has a slight amount of red buzz, and I want to get rid of it. And what I need to do is I need to adjust the truss rod. I'll show you how to do that. It's really simple. And another thing we'll take care of is the common question, is my action too high? So what happens when you get fret buzz is your neck doesn't have enough relief. And what do we mean is we can check by pressing down here and after the last fret, and then we can check this area, and there should be some space between the string and the fret, and I have not. So that's when I know the neck is, well, too straight, because the neck needs to have a little bit of bow like this, so you'll get relief. And I can simply demonstrate what happens like this. So if I press the neck down a little bit in here, we can hear that the strings don't ring at all. And then if we press up, quite clearly. And then if I leave it, I can hear I have a little bit of buzz. And then the other common issue is if you have too much relief, your strings are gonna be like way up there. So, and that's when you need to straighten your neck. But I want to have a bit more relief. So what I need to do, of course I got rid of the truss rod cover when I started. I'll take those two strings out of the way. You should have like that. Make sure it's properly in there. And then we need to loosen our neck to give more relief. And how do I do that? I go in here and I turn it left. And just a little bit should do. Don't overturn it. If you need to adjust more, do it in small increments, especially if it's your first time doing something like this. Just start slowly. There we go. And we're done. That takes care of my fret buzz. And if we would have too much action, we would do the same thing. We would go here and we would tighten our neck. So we would turn the wrench this way. And that would straighten our neck and get it more flat. So it's pretty simple. Just do it in small bits. Adjust more if you seem to have the need. Don't like go, if it's your first time, just, you know, do it with caution. And that's how you can solve those common issues: fret buzz and action too high. All right.